softly in the night. It dances wild beneath the light. The waves, they whisper secrets old. The wind, it sings of tales untold. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart. Waves and wind, a work of art. They call me to their endless sway. Their song, it sweeps my soul away. The waves crash loud against the stone, yet in their chaos I have found my home. The wind, it brushes through my hair. It carries dreams from who knows where. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart. Waves and wind, a work of art. They call me to their endless sway. Their song, it sweeps my soul away. The ocean dances fierce and free, a restless friend eternally. The wind's embrace is wild and true, a constant voice to chase the blue. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart. Waves and wind, a work of art. They call me to their endless way. Their song, it sweeps my soul away. Oh, the sea, it holds my heart. Waves and wind, a work of art. They call me to their endless way. Their song, it sweeps my soul away.